If I started a brand new YouTube channel in 2026 from scratch, no audience, no momentum, no algorithm boost, this is exactly what I would do. Not theory, not hacks, just what actually works right now. And this is after posting 1,000 videos and growing the channel the hard way. Let's start with number one. Number one, I would niche down on something I actually enjoy. The biggest mistake people make is picking a niche they think will work, not one they can live with. If you do not enjoy what you're talking about, you'll burn out before the algorithm ever figures you out. After making 1,000 videos, the only time I saw real traction was when we committed to just one thing and stuck with it long enough to get good. Now, don't overthink this. Pick something you enjoy. You can always expand later, but in the beginning, pick something you enjoy enough to talk about, even when nobody's watching. That will be your cheat code, and that will get you off and running to a very good start. Number two, I would batch create what's already working. I wouldn't try to reinvent YouTube. I would find creators that I enjoy watching in my niche who are already winning, and I would study exactly what's working. Not copying, of course, but modeling my expertise off of this. Same formats, same style of titles, same video structure. Then I would batch create multiple videos using those proven frameworks, so then I'm not guessing every single upload. Momentum beats perfection, especially in the beginning. Number three, I would treat YouTube like a job and not a mood. Most YouTube channels don't fail because the videos are bad. They fail because the creator just disappears off the face of the earth. If I started from zero, YouTube would be a part of my routine. You might have heard it in the last video, but I would treat it just like work or just like working out, like at the gym. Same days, same times, same process. Motivation comes after consistency. It doesn't come before, and that's big. Number four, I would optimize for retention, not virality. I wouldn't chase viral moments. I'd focus on, keeping people watching longer. Clear hooks, fast pacing, no fluff, straight information. If your videos keep people watching, YouTube will keep recommending it. Retention is the real algorithm, not viral moments. Number five, I would build like a simple, repeatable format. I would not change my style every week. I would lock in one repeatable format and just milk it. Same intro, same structure, same pacing. When viewers know what to expect, they keep coming back. This is how channels grow without burning out. Number six, I would use AI to move faster, but not be lazy. I wouldn't use AI to replace my voice, but I would use it for planning, scripting, thumbnails, and ideas. AI doesn't make you creative, but what it does do is it gives you leverage. And in 2026, leverage matters way more than talent. It's what you can do and how fast you can do it. Number seven, and this is big. This is super, super big. I would play the long game. If I started from zero, I wouldn't expect results in 30 days, even though it can happen. But I would commit to 6 months to a year minimum. The thing is, people quit right before YouTube starts working. The ones who win actually stay. They stay on their grind, they stay on their idea, and ultimately, if you look at everybody, they will tell you it pays off. If you are starting a YouTube right now or thinking about restarting, this is definitely the mindset that works in 2026. Subscribe if you want my honest lessons from someone that's been in it. I'll be doing business, lifestyle content, and AI. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.